Hello there and good day. So I just want to share the tools that I have buy on internet. So this one's an AIWA 40 pieces combination socket wrench set. So it's good as cheap and affordable price. Starts at $3 or 150 pesos here, and I just bought it in Shopee for 150. So let's open it. So it's a good thing. So we do not expect a lot of quality, but still it's a useful thing because we are able to open some things that we can't open, or not so tight, but I think it performs well because I have already tried it to my 4-stroke engine, to my generator, small generator. So it works well. So say the clockwise or anti-clockwise configuration, and it has an adapter so that you may able to reach those who cannot be reached. And this one is for the spark plug, or it can be used in wheel nuts. So this one is a large square. This one is compatible here, and I think only 4 of them. So how about this? It's too small. It's not compatible. So it has an adapter. This is one of the most important here. You can remove the extension, use the adapter. Why? Because most of the socket here uses and compatible on this size. Example, this one, or this thing, even the smallest one. So how about this one? It's just like a screwdriver. So this thing is no need for an adapter. So this thing is already compatible here, designed for here. So if you need more torque, use this. If not, just use this one. So for example, I'm going to use the smallest socket in my mini 4WD. So it was compatible here. It's become loose. Well, let's tighten it. As good as that. So let's try another one on my WL Toys 12428. So let's try this. It's too large. Oh, this fits well. So you can use this one to make it loose. So it's already loose. or if ever you're going to make it more tighter, for example, not in this toy but in the other things, in engine, or you may able to use this to make some more torque. So as good as that. It's very useful, as low as $3 or 150 pesos, or there are some that sells 130. It's too cheap and it's very useful. Instead of buying a branded one is a good one, it's a good investment too. But if you don't have enough budget, you want to invest tools for you, you may buy this kind of tools. It's a good starter pack. So all of the size, starting from the size of a mini 4WD nut and up to the largest one. So that's all, folks, and thank you for watching, and God bless you.